Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl SJ here with real beauty, real food, and real life. Today, I just wanted to come back with you and express to you my thoughts on IPSY. All right, first of all, IPSY is $10 a month. 10, 1, 0. That's all you're paying, $10. No, 10 is a cute fee. Yeah, it is. Matter of fact, let me show you something here. I went to Sephora and bought some items. Now, everybody always says, well, oh, it's only sample size items. Sometimes they're not always sample size items. You see this? I got that from Sephora. That's the no-name brand. Well, it's the name brand, but you know, it ain't the MAC and all that other stuff. I paid $12 for this one single item. What you think? So, my thing is that was 12. But with my IPSY stuff, this is this month's IPSY for January. Let's see what I got. Okay, so you get all this in a bag. The first thing that's neat about IPSY is it comes in a neat little bag, okay? Everything's already pre-packed for you in the little IPSY bag. Second is this one. Okay, so you get 5 items. The first item I got here is the coffee scrub. You don't know what you're going to get every time. All right, so this is basically 1 to 2 scrubs per week. Turn the shower on and dampen your skin. Use about 2 small handfuls of coffee scrub to cover your body with circular motion. Okay, so that's something different. So, would you have used this and you've never, would you went out and bought the full-size product and never used it before? Probably not. And the sample of this don't look like nothing they would give you free either, okay? How many times you go to the store and try to get something free as a sample? They don't want to give you a full, they're not going to give you this. They might give you a little bitty squirt of perfume and maybe a little bit of the foundation, enough to try it for a day or something. But yeah, that's about all you're going to get. So that's the one item. Now, once I open it up, it's going to have a little card in there. It tells me what the items are. It has a little thing in there. And this one is, I will conquer. And then it gives you information about the IPSY and, you know, little just detailed stuff here. Yeah, that's just a single card. All right, so the next item that's in here is a charcoal wash-off mask. Okay, yes, this is a sample size. But are you going to get this in the store for free? No. Okay, so yeah, you're spending $10. But you're getting life-size samples. This ain't just a little sample. This is the actual usage sample. There's a difference. Because a sample just means a sample. This, you can actually use it. It's the charcoal wash-off mask, 15-minute facial therapy. Okay. Would I have ran out and bought this? No, I don't know nothing about this stuff. I don't put just everything on my face. But I would try it because it came in a full-size, nice sample delivered right to my door. Now, this is not a sample. This is the NYX liquid. Is it lip pour? It just says lip pour. Anyway, we know it's lipstick, lip gloss, lip paint. That's a full size. All right, so right now I've got Too Faced on my lips. Got this color. I paid $10 for this only because it's on sale. The normal price of this stuff is $21. So for $10, this right here makes it right there. Because you're not going to go into the stores and find any lipstick, lip paint, any of those. Not in Sephora for $10. You're not. And NYX is name brand. So that just justified my $10. Even if I got these other samples, that just justified my $10, y'all. Now let's see what else we got in here. Now we got Furless Sneaky. All right, well, let's get sneaky and see what this is. I don't know. It's in a little package like this. Okay, so it's foreign. So I don't know what I'm looking at. So I'm going to take the lid off. It's got a little sticker powder in there. You pull off the little lid. Okay, so it might be some kind of color. Okay, so that's a nice little eyeshadow. And that is an actual nice size of eyeshadow. It's called Sneaky. Let's put some more on there. There we go. That's nice. That looks full-size eyeshadow to me. If you buy one eyeshadow out of MAC, I think that little pot costs you about, what, $15? I get a discount, so I don't remember. My $10 is already taken care of in this IPSY product. That's why I keep going. Because you also get stuff that you haven't heard of. You get to try different things. How many of us are creature of nature? You go back to the same stuff over and over and over again. But there's still new stuff out there you should be trying. That might be better than what you're using now. All right, so the fifth item is IPSY. It is eyeliner. Sometimes they just make this stuff where even with my glasses, I can't see this stuff. All right, so it looks like it's going to be an eyeliner. But this looks like a full size to me. Fierce Flicks. Okay. So that's full size. So there's another thing right there. So you got this, which looks like a full size to me. You know this is a full size lippy. This is a eyeshadow pot, full size. Okay, yeah, you got two samples. You spent $10 and you got a bag to put it in, or a bag to give to a friend. Okay, so yes, is IPSY worth the $10? Yes, it is. Great way to learn something new. So I'm going to try this because this might be something that I might like. And then, yes, I will go out there and take my IPSY points or try to go to Sephora and see if I can pay more than $10 and get it, if I like it. We already know lippies are already more than that. So, yeah, if anybody says that IPSY's not worth it, it's worth it. It's $10. You can't expect to get 5 full priced items for $10 because they're already giving you your value. Once they even put this in there, you've already paid. You already got the money back from what you've spent, and you didn't have to go nowhere. It came to your house. So that's my thoughts on IPSY. So I will keep doing it because it's $10 a month. At least I know I'm going to get a lippy that normally might cost me $15, $20. You know how these lippies be costing, y'all. But that is my lippy review for this month. And one more thing I got to add. I do get the Morphie. That's from the Live Glam. It's the Morphie brush palette. How many of y'all like those brushes? Love those brushes. And so, this is a subscription also that comes every month. It's $20. And yes, you're going to get your value out of this one as well. Because brushes are not cheap unless you get the cheap ones. And then when you wash them and your hairs start falling out and they start coming on your face, you'll understand. Okay, so every month you get regular sized brushes. And this is this month's. And they're the Morphie collection. And Morphie's a good brand. Usually you get between 3 and 5 brushes. They have their numbers on them too. I'm like this. When it comes down to brushes, I use it for what I feel like I want to use it for. And I just keep it moving. Because I'm one of them people that can use my fingers. But at the same time, my brush collection is growing, which is good. So eventually I'll be like, okay, you know what? Let's just go ahead and put these in a decorative tin. And when Christmas comes around, guess who's getting brand new $15, $16, $20 brushes? Somebody getting it, you know what I'm saying? Keep me in the package. Nice birthday gifts. It's a set too. Alright, so yeah, comment below. Do you got IPSY? If you don't, I got the link down there at the bottom. Sign up under me. You get points, I get points. Yay! And so with my Live Glam for my Morphie brushes, down below, check out the link. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on IPSY. $10, is it worth it? Yep. Morphie's $20. Is it worth it? Yep. If you don't believe me, go to Sephora. Check out the prices. And if you see one thing that was in this glam pack or in the Morphie brushes that was more than $10, you got your money worth. Well, and this one more 20. But we already know how brushes work. We can just see this brush by itself is probably $30. I said 20 earlier, but yeah, it's probably 30. All right, this is your girl SJ. This is real beauty. I do real food, and this is what happens in real life. Save money, get a subscription. Have a great day, y'all.